Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Razer Kraken Mic on PC. First, let's get your headset physically connected. Most Razer Kraken models use a single 3.5mm audio jack. Plug this into your computer's combined audio port. If your PC has separate microphone and headphone jacks, use the included splitter cable to connect both. Make sure the microphone is extended and positioned about 2 to 3 centimeters from your mouth for optimal sound capture. Next, we will configure your PC's audio settings. Right-click the speaker icon in your taskbar and select Sound Settings. Under the Input section, choose your Razer Kraken headset as the default recording device. It might appear as Headset Microphone or Razer Kraken. Then, adjust the microphone volume slider to a comfortable level, typically between 70 and 80%, to avoid clipping or being too quiet. For advanced control and optimization, download and install Razer Synapse software. This application allows you to fine-tune your microphone's performance. Within Synapse, you can enable features such as noise gate to reduce background sounds or volume normalization for consistent audio levels. Experiment with the equalizer settings to customize your mic sound profile, enhancing clarity for your voice during calls or gaming sessions. Finally, let's cover some troubleshooting tips and best practices. If your mic isn't working, first double-check all cable connections. A loose plug is a common culprit. Ensure your audio drivers and Razer Synapse software are updated to their latest versions. Test your microphone in various applications, like Discord or a voice recorder, to determine if the issue is system-wide or application-specific. Remember to speak clearly and maintain consistent mic distance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.